Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about how you can increase your coding efficiency of writing HTML CSS code in your project using EMMET features of the VS Code. This is the built-in functionality of the VS Code. No need to install any extra extension. How it work and what it can do. So let's see. Suppose I have to add a div. Inside div, we'll have to add the list, ordered list or unordered list, and inside that we'll have to add each li tag. You'll have to add a span tag and some content and some class. So in one line of code, how we can achieve, how we can generate that structure. Let's see. So suppose I have to start with the div. So div, and then what we have to do, you have to add the arrow sign, and then order list or unordered list like OL, and then after that, we have to again arrow sign and li. How many times we'll have to repeat the li? Just we'll have to multiply by like a star and the multiplication, like suppose 10 times. In each li tag, we'll have to add an span tag. So same thing, we'll have to arrow and span. And in span, suppose I have to add a class, suppose a test. So we'll have to add dot and class name, suppose test class, and just click enter. You see it had created the structure. Now same, if you saw there that the class name was same, suppose we'll have to add test1 test2, we'll have to do just dollar sign after the class name and then put the enter. Now you see test1 test2 test3 that is created. Now if you want to add a text in each span, what we'll have to do, we'll have to here just open the curly braces and enter the text what that we want to like show there, like this is test, and then put enter. You see we have created this structure. Now if you want to do the same in the CSS, what we'll have to do, we'll have to just click uh, go to the CSS file, and then suppose I want to style the h1 tag, and inside that we'll have to add the margin 10. So m and 10, just enter. Similarly, padding 20, p and 20, enter. Width or height or display property like display flex, d and f, display flex. Similarly, if you want to like add a line item a I C line. That's all. Subscribe for more videos.